Hi guys, partition design often in both residential and commercial space sub and various of purpose that help divide space for provide functional and aesthetic appeal. Partition design for house. Introducing partition design in house sub multi-purpose for divide space for provide to enhance aesthetic with modern architecture trend embrace open plan space and demo for functionally space partition have growing home partition allow homeowner to switch space without the style partition have growing permanent of bulb then can be started or moved or tranquil space depend on the house need. This idea partition design balance aesthetic, functional and flexibility. The home maintain its fellow with add provide type of home partition. Fixed partition. Fixed partition are permanent or semi-permanent solve designed to demo area within a home, then provide and cover divide between space. Salt bulb. Traditional partition in more house salt wall create divide benefit room. Their valve type modern for bring balance valve effect then mean limited flexibility in interior design. Glass partition. Glass partition are wide use in modern house to create summer without lights that main interest variable open while of area like a living room for is find space for glass and provide wall clean, glass main entrance open. Woods or plants partition. Woods partition often make for time various panel, create a warm and natural divider that come in various finish and style for rustic or to modern. Wood partition and often used in living room or house often and for a choosing fail. Shape unit. Open shape partitions sub as dual functional design that provide both space and a various break between area like a living room and add space. Those units can be adjusted and customized to fit a provided style, allow for book plan or decoration image to be showcased. Partition material and style. Material. The material for of a partition impact both its aesthetic appear and functionally. Choose the right material depend of on the purpose of the partition when it's to enhance, provide, read, knock, or smart add and decoration elements. Glass partition are idea for space those need like flow, well, main interest divider. Then are available in clean forget. Add can be frame or frameless glass is often used in modern minimalist design to create a sleek, elegant feel. However, glass is not ideal for space, read, sound, install. Words. Words partition create warmth and can be used as